was just, you know, you're going to get it though, baby. It's okay.
Yeah, got one.
You got them both in there?
No, got one, dude.
No, I'm not. You're doing good.
Uh-oh. The light came on.
The light came on?
Get the light on. Just stop recording me.
Turn the light on. Let's see. See if there's proof that does it. Oh! Woo! Live power.
You dick.
Baby, you look so good from this angle.
Shut up.
Oh God.
You see that on my butt?
Naughty.
No.
There you are. You're such a liar.
You're looking good from this angle, sweetie.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
You look,
that was done.
you look real good from this angle over here laying down.
Oh, because you're laying down.
I'm kind of proud of you, man. I ain't gonna lie. I might have to do something special for you.
Why are you proud of me? Because I'm not afraid to do this shit?
Yeah, because you're over you're over here freaking like working on a live switch right now. A double gang.
Yeah, like some people, okay, that was terrible. Some people call this stupid.
No, it's just laziness. Because you don't want to walk all the way downstairs, turn it off, mess up all the timers and all of our digital settings and everything by cutting off the power.
Right.
Because you get crazy with it. Like if the clock's off on the microwave or the coffee maker or the iron.
Because if I look at the freaking coffee pot, I want to make sure that is the right time.
Right. That's exactly what you want to do.
It was off by an hour like a few weeks ago, and it kept throwing me off. I'm like, what in the world why is this so wrong? Dude, did you stop recording me?
I'm not. I'm just looking at you through the screen.
You're such a liar.
Because I can
It's
zoom.
on. Yeah, I know it's on because your freaking light is on.
What? Ah, shit.
Ah, shit. What did you do?
Stupid freaking light. The light gave me away. The damn flash.
Okay, this one. Okay, now my question is, can I put it on the other side since it's curled, where the plate's down instead of underneath the plate?
Yeah, you don't want to go underneath the plate. You want to go around a screw?
Actually curled.
You want to go around a screw?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you could do that, but it's just going to be harder because you understand that's 20 amp
It's
wire.
already curled. You mean something from-
Yeah, it already has a hook on it.
What?
It already has a hook on it, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can put it around a screw if you want. Just remember, twist it with the needle nose on the direction that it's going to screw.
It already is.
Okay, then all you got to do is pop it on there. And then take the needle nose and crimp down the edge so it kind of like hugs the screw.
Nice.
Listen, take the dikes and cut it off if you don't want to. Well, that means you got to restrip it, but just straighten it out with the needle nose. You got it.
I got this shit. I'm a pro. Better tell you that. Watch out. I'm gonna take business from him.
Yeah.
You know why?
Because you can.
Do work.
Yeah. Hey, I'd pay freaking an extra $2 or $3 to have a chick come in and do my electrical.
That's my point, see?
Heck yeah.
Who says women are fucking underpaid? We need to capitalize on this shit.
I mean,
Dude, if I came out to your house in a bikini and freaking did some electrical work, you'd be all for it. You'd be like, hell yeah.
shit, I'm an electrician now to do that. I'd hire a chick in a bikini. Hey, that could be a business idea.
There you go. I mean, maybe not the smartest thing in the world to be doing, but
I mean, who knows? I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's like a twofer. You come in, it's a twofer because you come in, right? The woman comes in with her bikini, fixes your electrical, and then she leaves, and you know you can get a happy ending too.
Really, nigga?
no, we ain't talking about no happy ending.
Well, I'm saying that could just be a side thing.
This is not service with a smile.
Well, you know what I'm saying? Okay. It's no longer a happy ending. It's a friendly finish.
I ain't doing no friendly finishes either.
Well, yeah, you got to complete the job.
Shut up. You know what's funny is that I'm in here just like getting it down and dirty and you know, doing this shit. And when you were doing, you were like, like afraid it was gonna like fucking spark at you, and I'm over here like just doing it. Yeah.
What was I doing again?
Okay, where's the electrical tape?
Electrical tape's like in the bag or box. I don't know, wherever you did with it. I did with it right there. So let's see, I hooked up that three-way to that three-way. We put the new smart thermostat in. What else did we hook up? Oh, over there you can't see, but we got a new rack or a coat rack.
Oh yeah, I was like a new rack.
And put the new rack in.
Ooh, that works.
No, okay. You didn't wrap the screws, did you?
I did one. I just thought I was like, damn it.
It's alright.
Pull the top one out because
All you gotta do is just slide it out.
I did
But just make sure you have the
screws covered.
The screws cover, exactly.
They are.
Terminals. Can't believe how pixelated, like how like distorted the video looks when I zoom it in all the way.
Yeah. Trying not to freaking kill myself. Why the fuck am I not using the drill?
Because you're strengthening up your forearms.
Dude, I want the drill. Go get the drill. Come on, you feel bad for me sitting there freaking hands screwing this shit right now. You know it.
Yeah, we put that up right there. Baby,
Yeah, baby.
I'm bi.
Really, nigga?
What'd you say?
Nothing.
You said you were bi?
Yeah.
You got your drink?
Yes, I did. Okay. You still want the drill?
Yeah. You didn't think I would do this, did you?
Nope. I
Why are
did
you
not.
still recording?
Because, baby, in like 6 or 7 days, we're gonna look at this and just laugh and be like, wow, like she actually did something.
Really?
Besides bitch.
Oh, you got jokes. No fucking jokes.
Now make sure they're straight now, baby.
I know, I'm doing it a little bit at a time first.
Yep. Now don't tighten the second one up all the way until you put the cover on it, just to
And
make
just
sure
check,
it's all level.
I'm just gonna tighten it to where it's holding in place. So.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've never done this before. Well, actually, you don't really know that I've done this before.
She's sleeping. Live the life you have imagined.
2 hours later.
What, look good?
Looks good to me.
I mean, there's a little bit of a gap on the bottom. But...
Oh man, you got gaps.
I mean, I'll be the one that's over here freaking
No, I know.
going crazy.
Oh yeah, we just put these in too. What are these called? Bidets or something? Or bidets? I don't freaking know. They clean your ass. What are they called? Bidets?
Our bidets, our butt washers.
Our butt washers. Our butt washers. Our butt washers.
You really think I'm doing it right?
They work quite well. I must say that the bidet works quite well. See, there's the other one too. Anyways, yeah, Julie, like, I want to see what it does. She got the floor all wet. I want to see what it does when you're not sitting on it and you turn it on and it's sprayed in her mouth. It was like a massive, like one of those like toothpicks, water picks. All right, sweetie, does it work? Both of them work? Let's see the one work. That one's working.
Well, outside's working too.
Let's see outside. Oh, yeah.
Come on, now can you turn that off for a second, please?
Okay. Alright. I just have the light shining for you.
I don't need that. I don't need the light shining for me, please.
Okay. Baby, it's good. Okay, it's good. We're out of here.